Hey guys, it's Pop here. Sorry, I have the hiccups. Hold on. This is not sponsored. Anyway, guys, so excuse me. So today I have a Funko news video for you guys today, and I do have a unboxing from Funko shop. Let's pray to God this is in good condition. And I have a Target run and done I did. So let's get right into this video. Sorry, I'm working on the hiccups. Sorry, I'm not fat. Okay, I'm not having a heart attack. I just the hiccups. First bit of information we have is Funko finally announced the Groot Holiday glow-in-the-dark warehouse exclusive, I think. I have no idea. You can pre-order that on Amazon if you want, but yeah, warehouse exclusive glow-in-the-dark holiday Groot. It's literally been over a year, I'd say. It's been almost about a year. and they're finally freaking releasing it. That's crazy, but yeah, that's nuts. But anyway, I guess that's what Funko likes to do. They like to fuck us, screw us over like that. So yeah, if you want to go get it, I'm personally passing. And we do have some up-close looks at some of the internals, exclusive pops. Those are pretty sick. I only want to get that little monster one that's a GameStop exclusive, which is his box is like shaped like the sexy Deadpool. I'm probably going to get that one. That is really cool. But yeah, the other ones I really am passing. The Funko Shop one should be coming relevantly soon. I'm not getting that at all. I am seeing the movie, though, this Thursday. So, I heard it's bad reviews. It's going to have 2 end credit scenes. I don't have high hopes. I'm just going to see because it's Marvel, and I love Marvel. Then we have an up close look, new demon at one of the Demon Slayer moments of Tanjiro, I think, versus some other white mystical being, I think. Maybe I'll get it. I'm thinking though. I probably will get it, but still, it's pretty dope. We have some new Funko Gold NBA edition. Sorry, those are coming soon. I could really care less. I love NBA, but I mean, just not really a big fan of the Funko Golds. I just bought that one just to get it. But yeah, actually, maybe I'll get the LeBron James one and Steph Curry one. Those are really just the ones I really like the most. And yeah, and in my opinion, this has got to be the best stuff out of all today. And you guys are probably going to wonder, oh, what is it? Well, I have some first in-hand looks at some brand new SDCC Special Edition toucans. There is 2 robots, I think, and there is a wood Deku one. Now, those are pretty cool. There's also some out-of-box photos. Really sick. I'm probably going to only go for the wooden Deku one. Actually, no. This next, well, that's probably the good one, but I'd say. I'm probably going to get the one Deku one. I'm passing the other 2. But yeah, those are pretty sick, I'd say. I'm a big fan of toucan. I have the astronaut one. I have the pose like this, I think. And then we have some brand new Demon Slayer suit. I fucked that up so bad. So yeah, there's that, and it's in a Pop and Tea bundle. It's exclusive to GameStop. It should be going live pretty soon. Its ETA is February of 2022. So if you want that, that's pretty cool. I'm probably get it. I'm not sure, but I mean, it's literally just the common.
It's working. She said she a virgin. It's hurting. She ain't never show me love when my pockets hurting. Now she see a nigga on, she fucking and slurping. And they see me putting on and got them nervous. Lil' never need a bone, I did it on purpose. And I used to play the block with the fiend. It's a nod to my team. If a nigga too hot, we gon' pop for a fiend. I'm coming strong and they do that. You ain't no competition, but I don't think you wanna do that. You had that chance, but you blew that. Everybody else know that. The fuck going on?
Version of the Chalice Collectibles exclusive, which I think is very low on Funko. But, you know Funko, like, they always pull that shit off. They're always trying to make as much money as they can. I don't understand why, because they're making so much money off of pops in general now and stuff. You know, yeah, actually, let's actually go over... Sorry, let's actually go over what the hell the prices are, because I'm really freaking curious. I want to tell you guys. Oh yeah, for the Baskin Robbins exclusive mini puffed with the ice cream scoop, its release was pretty interesting. From what Diss Trackers heard, there is a $10 purchase required to buy the pop, with a will cost you an additional $15. No mini purchase. Oh, no mini purchase required. You can buy the pop for $25, $10 charge plus $15 for the pop. A $10 requirement comes the coupon. Yeah, honestly, Baskin Robbins is completely fucking weird. They were even supposed to be at freaking Dunkin' Donuts. I remember that never happened. But then we also have first looks at the book of Boba Fett. Boba Fett spotted on Best Buy. That is freaking sick. That is so cool. I'm super hyped for the show. I think it's gonna be dope. I actually just saw the Morbius teaser trailer, and I saw the book of Boba Fett one too. But Morbius one that just dropped. No spoilers, but it's really dope. You really should check it out. The ending kind of made me laugh. And here's the updated prices on what's gonna basically pop off. So the pops were from $11. They're now $12. The sodas are $12 to $15.
Are you guys really doing?
Then the pop moments and towns are $30 to $35. The pop deluxes are $25. Now they're $30. So now the 10-inch pops are now $30/$35 to $40. Yeah. And then the art series pops are $25 to $30. Man, I'm so freaking glad I stopped collecting art series pops. I am so happy, man. I hated them. Like, they're ridiculous. I'm probably trying to sell mine off, maybe. I don't know. I should never got the Patronic Age ones. Still regret getting those. Then we have out-of-box picks, the all-new die-cast Iron Man, which was spotted in a Mexico store. It's probably gonna be at Funko Hollywood Wednesday, I'd say, which tomorrow. So if you want that, good luck. I know a lot of you flippers and shit like that are gonna, and collectors too, gonna camp out. So yeah, I mean, I do the same if I live down there. You gotta make your money somehow. But it's cool. I would have gotten if it was a convention exclusive, but I'm not paying $50. I don't have money. Hey guys, it's Pop Freak here. While I was editing, I just forgot that there was actually some more Funko news that happened like yesterday. I forgot to cover in this Funko news video. There's a DIY Jack Skellington pop that was spotted overseas. No word on what the retailer is going to be. Yes, I'm packing up if you're wondering, or everything's packed, I should say. So that's I still have the hiccups now. I don't know what's wrong, but yeah, that should be coming on the back. An Oogie Boogie DIY pop that was also spotted. So yeah, I'm assuming those are gonna be Michaels, but Michaels has never gotten exclusive DIY pop in a hot minute. So I would really wonder to see if they got that. But I just wanted to say that. On any more pop leaks about to mention, or pop leaks stuff, I'll make sure I mention. And hey guys, this is just after the video. I also found out that for Funko Fridays, week 1, I don't know how reliable this guy's source is, but we'll try to test it out. The hint they're going to give this Friday is going to determine if this guy is right, but from a source, he is saying that this Friday, there's going to be Obi-Wan Kenobi and Stormtrooper drop. Obi-Wan Kenobi and a Stormtrooper pop that will be dropping on, I think, 11/12, I'm thinking. So, yeah, I'm not sure, like I said, how true this is, but we'll see. And he also said for week 2, there's supposed to be a Joker Daddy Loss Multis, I think, which is basically the Sugar Skull Joker. I'm not sure if it's going to be the glow-in-the-dark one, because that's supposed to be Amazon, unless it got switched over to Target. But, yeah, I'm pretty confused. I don't know if it's going to be a different version. I mean, yeah, like I said, I'm not sure how reliable this guy is, but we will find out when the stuff happens. So yeah, that's what I want to say. And yeah, guys, now I'll get back to ending the video. And yeah, that's basically about it for Funko news. And yeah, but before you guys go, we have some packages, so let's get right into that. Oh shit. Sorry, I hate having freaking hiccups. I should actually change the YouTube thumbnail to Funko News This and That Hiccup Edition. But my dad went to Target yesterday, and he got me the Mini Puff, the glow-in-the-dark Pop and Tea bundle. This is a XL size, because I'm a pretty thick boy. It's really cool. Honestly, I love it. Super dope pop, in my opinion. It's XL size, too. Dope box, I say. Now, you probably are wondering, why is the box art for this not like the new ones? Well, because these were produced in like 2019 to 2020, and Funko stopped production because the whole damn COVID thing. They finally got back to reproduction. They finally pumped them out. So yeah, that's why. Same with Hasbro. Those figures were spotted 2 years ago at Toy Fair, and they're finally coming out. So yeah, I don't know. I guess COVID fucks up everything, as they say. Who knows? But anyway, we're gonna pop this sucker open. That's what she said. But yeah, so this is how he looks right here. Mini Puffed on Fire, really dope pop, I'd say, in my opinion. It's such a cool pop. pop. I love it. It's so freaking cool. Just so... Holy crap, he looks so freaking adorable out of box. Like, look at him, man. He is so tiny. When I move, I'm getting a ruler because I'm going to start to upgrade my pop reviews. I'm going to hopefully be getting a light box. Friends said he's going to be getting it. Not going to say no name because I don't want to spoil his surprise. But for his video or his... Yeah, but he got one of those. I was like, you know, I'm probably going to try to get those hopefully. So, yeah, I'll try to get those. I'm trying to get the light box. We can find it in stores or something. But, yeah, such a cute pop, man. He's so adorable in my book. Such a freaking cutie, man. So adorable. That's how it looks. Mini puffed on fire. Really sick pop, I'd say. And... Oh, God. Yeah, he smells like eggs. Like rotten eggs. I don't know what's up with these pops, man. Some of these pops are smelling like this, I noticed. Maybe it's some with the glow, I think. But... And then I already wore this shirt. But, yeah, we have a shirt. Really cool, I'd say. So let's just give it a... Oh. Whew. I pretty flying this, not gonna lie. That's how they look if you guys are curious up there. Pretty dope. Not showing off my boobs. I'm not like one of those females you see online models, but yeah, that's pretty cool. Gray ass shirt. Anyway, and don't go yet because we have an unboxing video. Unboxing from the Funko shop. We'll just peel off my logo. Because I don't want none of y'all coming to my damn house and possibly stealing. Well, I'm leaving anyway, but still, I don't want you guys coming here anyway. So yeah, let's unbox this. Now, excuse me, I'm sorry. Now, I know Funko isn't doing sorters now, which I think is pretty shitty, but hopefully they can get back on that. Maybe they have like some kind of cardboard shortage. No idea, but yeah, let's see what I got. Oh, fuck. Ugh, I fucking hate these sorters they do. Such fucking shit. Oh my. We got the Funko Shop exclusive Super Shredder. Man, this is so sick, dude. I remember when this came out, I was fucking flipping out. I thought it was gonna sell out. Took an extremely heinous long time to sell out, but yeah, freaking so cool looking, dude. That is amazing, honestly. The Super Shredder is such a cool figure, I'd say. Or it's such a cool figure in general, and it's such a cool character from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Actually, not gonna lie, I really freaking love it. So cool. I'm actually show you how he looks out of the box too. But yeah, I love Super Shredder in general. I especially love the 2012 version. He is like, dude, he is just he's just fucking amazing. Excuse my language, but like he is just amazing. The 2012 one, like, so cool. Look at this. Wow, that is ridiculous. And I see the glow on it is even more cooler. Wow, this is just incredible, dude. This is crazy. Such a cool figure. So awesome, man. Jesus. This little canister right there. Kind of focus. I gotta get better lighting. I gotta get some lighting. Yeah, I saw my nail polish. I got a nail polish mover. Cool. I go back to school tomorrow, so hopefully I don't get any comments. But yeah, oh shoot, actually, the plastic is a little. Oh damn, the plastic up here is really torn up. I have no idea how that happened, but yeah, that could have been bad. Guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. So let me know, out of these two pops, which ones you like the most. I know that they're both glow in the dark. That's pretty funny. But which one of those you like the most? And what you think of today's Funko News video and what you want? I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts below. I'm out of here, guys. Peace. No, you weren't supposed to be watching that. No.